All right, I heard you guys in the comments. You don't like the machine polished wheels on the Tacoma, and Lock, they heard some of the comments too. So we got some black wheels to put on the TRD Pro today. We're also gonna install some different tail lights on the Tacoma and some automatic tailgate, nice. And we're also gonna install some stuff too by 6 Element in the front end of this truck. It's kind of crazy, but this thing only has 1,500 miles on it, which means that the 4Runner that I got about a month ago has more miles on it than this does. And the 4Runner is gonna get even more miles on it in the next week or so, because we're going to Texas with it. So probably another 2,000 miles getting thrown on it. And the cool thing is I'm leaving it in Dallas. So we're gonna get full XPEL, full PPF on it. Super pumped about that. Ceramic coated on top of that. And I'm excited to see the difference of how PPF is versus actually just ceramic coating a vehicle, because we're gonna off-road the absolute piss out of that vehicle. All right, we made it to YotaMafia. Brian's gonna get the taco up on the rack. Last time seeing the polish on her. So again, it's a 17x9, 0 offset. Go ahead and open up the box. It come packaged pretty nicely, man. Take that wrap off, and then we have a nice little cover that lips around the whole thing. Dang, another cover? Sheesh. And then there we go. For everyone that was wanting black, we got black now. And the paint and the fit and finish on this one actually looks really, really good. Oh yeah, what a stance, Ryan. Okay, I'll admit, I was wrong. The black looks so much better. What do you guys think? So what I do like about machine though, is that you get a lot of the detail of the wheel, right? You have the lip right here for the Bajas, the center cap pops. You get a lot more of the wheel for sure. As when we look then at the front, it kind of blends in just a little bit with the truck. You can kind of see the lips of the Bajas, but then as you get closer, you can really start to make out the wheel and everything. So, yep, I admit it, I was wrong. You guys were right. It looks so much better with the black wheels. The whole sinister look of this truck, it just pops, man. I mean, it's subtle, but it still just pops and it completes the whole truck. So while Ryan's finishing the rear tires, we're gonna install these from 6 Element. I will leave a link to their website in the description for you guys. So they're gonna be selling a whole bunch of Tacoma stuff, 4Runner stuff, Land Cruiser stuff as well. But these are nice billet, lower recovery points. So the Tacoma actually comes with some beefy ones, but these ones are a nice red color, and they're gonna match with the whole red and black theme that we have going on. Fun fact, the 2025 Tacomas actually come with a red recovery hook up front. So we're just gonna install this one by 6. And then that way too, you know, it kind of matches the red ARB hooks in the back. And there we go, we have it installed. So you could tell how it pops with not only the TRD skid plate right here, but also the Fox shocks right back behind it. Has their brand on this side, Tacoma FRP front recovery point, just in case you forget what they're for. And then of course, compared to the stock over there with the black, it's just nice that it's like another red accent here on the front of the taco. Much better. So there we go, have them both installed now. That looks really good. We have it front and back on, sitting pretty. Hopefully you guys are satisfied now. All right, so now we are gonna install the Alpharex tail lights, and check out the packaging for these. So I already opened it up to take a quick little look. And Alpharex now, it's like old Pokemon cards, you know, when you had the holos and stuff. So I got a nice little sticker, and then this kind of holographic card right here, which is pretty sweet. But I went with the smoked. So instead of having a more red look, I know we just installed the 6 Element stuff to do red and black, but we're gonna have a nice smoked look to it. Dang. So we got the stock one out. Instead of pulling back like older Tacomas, you pull towards yourself, because you can see that these little dudes are right here. Luckily I had Ethan here to let me know that before I ripped the crap out of it. But check this out. Little Tacoma climbing a taco right there. So the way Alpharex ships these lights out is we're gonna have to take off this little cover on this side, because it will work with normal trucks, or if you have an upgraded truck that has the little button right here, we're just gonna go ahead and take those out and transfer it over. So that was super easy to take out. So we'll just leave the stockies right there. And then this reflector is kind of like heat melted onto it, and we just popped it off with like a little knife. And then the little tailgate button just goes ahead and puts it right in, and they have all the hardware. Well, you transfer the hardware over, but they have all the holes for you. We'll test it real fast. So that's the startup feature. So instead of it just firing on, you had that little animation, and it looks like now we have 3 bars on it as well. Go ahead and turn the blinkers on. So now we have a sequential blinker. Go ahead, just put the hazards on, Ryan. So you could see that the stock one right here, it just kind of flashes the LEDs. And then this one has a nice kind of sequential turn to it. It's actually an amber color too, which I personally prefer a different color than the blinkers. I mean, but these Tacomas, they're just so bright in the first place. So with the lights on, we could tell on the stockies right here that it's just an LED light. And then over here on the Alpharex, it actually comes into the middle as well. And then we kind of have like a quick, very quick sequential turn, and it's amber versus a red LED too. It's a little hard to pick up on camera. And then what I do like is even on the side of this right here, it is brighter in person, but now we have kind of this DRL on the side of it, whereas on the stock side over here, that's kind of just like a dead looking reflector. So it just kind of like dies out right here on the side, whereas the Alpharex, you actually have light on it, which is pretty cool. So I fixed the wheels by going black for you guys, but I think these tail lights probably would have looked a little bit better on the black of the Tacoma, because I do like the red on this black. But these other ones by Alpharex right here, they would have kind of a red on the outside that I think would look good to kind of break all this up, and then you would have kind of like the smoked on the inside. So we'll run it. It looks good when the lights are on for sure, but I think just with the clear and kind of smoke in the back, I think that some red back here would look a little bit better. And let me know, guys, in the comments. Now that we took the stock one off that side, it actually looks a bit better with it being, you know, kind of all smoked black. I still think that some red would look good, but then Ryan also pointed out too that our third brake light is kind of like a clear smoked lens. So it definitely flows with it, but I still think just a little bit of red right there on the side would be good. And there we have it all done up. So again, I think you guys were totally right about the black wheels being better. So these are still the same Baja wheels that the machine polish were, but of course it's black. And then we were able to put that front little center cap on. Again, Lock Off-Road has different options and stuff to where you wouldn't have to pop off your dust cap if you don't want to. But man, the black on black just looks so good. And of course, with a little bit of those red recovery points just popping out from 6th Element. And then again, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the smoked taillights in the back from Alpharex. They are growing on me a bit for sure, but I just think that red right there would definitely do it in. I love the clear housing right here. I just think that some red accents right there on the side would actually go pretty well, especially too because of the red ARB hooks right there in the back. But I mean, when you come up to the front, like these headlights up front, they're smoked as well. So I mean, they're smoked clear housing, so the lights definitely match each other. I just think if it had a little bit more red to it, it would definitely make it pop off. But the Arroyo tires, mud terrains, a little bit thick, 33 by 12.5, 17 by 9 wheels, 0 offset, just matches on this Tacoma so freaking well. So what do you guys think? I appreciate you all watching as always, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.